Hi again, it's ApriLynn. I'm soaking wet. Today we are going to be following a TikTok curly hair routine. So let's watch that TikTok and do what she says. La 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 la. Okay.
When you get out of the shower, you are going to douse your hair in leave-in conditioner. You are going to brush that leave-in conditioner through with a wet brush or detangling brush. Then you are going to...
Ooh, I need a detangling brush.
Flip your head over, get a denman brush or that same wet brush or detangling brush if you do not own a denman brush, and brush that hair right in front of your face so it looks almost straight. Then what you are going to do is you're going to get a lot of gel. You're going to scoop that on your hands. You're going to do praying hands right in front of your face. Then you are going to get a mousse or another gel, and then you're going to scrunch it. Then you're going to flip back over, let it air dry or diffuse. Boom!
Okay, I need to get a detangling brush real quick. Okay, step one. Just got out of the shower. If you can't tell, I just got out of the shower. My hair is dripping all down my face. Step two. Okay, douse my hair in leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna use my go-to Shea Moisture Strength and Restore leave-in conditioner. A brand new baby. Is this enough for dousing? I think so. I like my leave-in. Okay. Hair's doused. Beautiful softness. I brush the leave-in conditioner through with the detangling brush. A behairful brush is good for detangling. My hair's not really detangled or snarly because I just took a shower and brushed my hair in the shower. Hair brushed. Step next. She says flip hair over and brush it all in my face with the denman. So here we go. Hopefully this will work because I have short, her hair's a lot longer. And I have a bunch of new growth. Okay, pulled forward. My hair doesn't look pinned straight, but it won't. Now, I'm going to take some gel. This is the only gel I have, so hopefully it's not too strong. And praying hands it all over my curls. Pretty self-explanatory, I guess. Definitely product in my hair. Now my hair is pretty straight. Straighter than it was. Now, she says, take a mousse, or more gel. We're gonna do mousse. And scrunch it in, and then flip the hair over and let it dry. This is like super fast if it works nice. Super easy. Get mousse all over your shirt. Feeling good? Flip her over. Except for I wear my hair forward. Flip the pieces forward. I wear forward. Okay. This is what she's looking like. We're gonna let her air dry, because that's what we do. You don't have to, but that's what I do. And I'll see you back when it's dry. See how this technique worked, because if it worked, it's so fast. Okay, see you when it's dry. Okay, she is dry. This is what she's looking like. Beauty, beauty. Honestly, not bad. Just a little crunchy crunch using gel and mousse. So, you know, scrunch, 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 scrunch. Or you don't know. But that's what we do. Scrunch it till it doesn't feel crunchy no more. What? This looks so good. Is this my new go-to fastness style? When I need a little, like 2 seconds style? Okay, it took longer than 2 seconds. It took like 5, and it looks so good. Yay! Love it. I didn't know if I'd like the gel and the mousse together, but it looks good. She's tight. I love it. Wow, that was quick and easy and looks really good. Anything better than that? I love it. So the verdict is thumbs up for this TikTok curly hair routine. So easy. I want to try it with, we should do it again, but with the behairful brush and see, because this brush makes my hair super spirally. Let me know if you want me to do that, because I will. Can you believe it? Dude, magic. It's freaking magic. And I even have like 100 inches of new growth. But it still looks good. Okay, that's it. My new fast hair routine. I'm gonna do it. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye. Pew 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 pew. Oh, 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 curly curly coo coo, curly curly coo coo. Okay, I just want to know, how did I live my life for 20 years without having curly hair? This is just me. This is who I am. Okay. Goodbye.